Hey, aloha, this is Kealoha Domingo, and today we're going to be putting together some local staple foods into a simple roast. These Hawaiʻi-grown staple foods are great for using in many different dishes. It's very versatile. You can do it in a roast, you can use it in a stew, you can use it in a soup, a salad. So today we're going to do just a pan roast. These are our cleaned and processed staple foods. Starting with the taro, I'm going to add it into a bowl. Sweet potato or uwala, or Okinawan sweet potato, our pumpkin or pala'i, all going into a bowl, and our ulu or breadfruit. And I'm just going to add a little bit of oil to it. I happen to have some garlic oil, so I'm just going to give it a nice drizzle. And some salt, the kosher salt. Some fresh cracked pepper. And we're gonna go ahead and toss it up. Put it into a pan, spread out evenly. I like to use a parchment sheet so that it doesn't stick. Make sure it's spread out evenly and laying flat. Then I'll go ahead and place this into an oven set at 400 degrees. And I'm gonna watch it till it caramelizes and roasts, and it should take about 15 to 20 minutes. So as I mentioned, all of these Hawaiʻi-grown staples are pre-processed, steamed, peeled, and cut to portion. Or also as another option, we have this minimally processed, frozen, ready-to-go product. And versus the cleaning process, what we can do is take this frozen product and we can steam it off for 5 to 10 minutes to make sure that it's up to temp. And from there we can go directly into our roasting, boiling, stews, or salads. So we've been in the oven on roast, 400 degrees for about half an hour, and we're gonna go ahead and pull it out. Check on it. Just want to get a little nice color and some texture on it. And there you go, that's your finished product. So there you go, just one simple way to incorporate local starches into our CACFP meals. Such a good way to support our local farmers and create a circular economy here in Hawaii. The crops of our ancestors, foods that grew here well and sustained our people for thousands of years.